Even after first phase of polling is done, knives are out in India, blocked from north to south and east to west. Tracks are quite evident. There is AAP versus Congress in Punjab, left versus Congress in Kerala, and Congress versus TMC versus the left in West Bengal. Let's start with what Revanth Reddy said. Reddy lashed out at Congress ally DMK's insult to Sanatan Dharma. Speaking to Group Editor-in-Chief Navita Kumar, Telangana Chief Minister took a stand on the comments made by Udyanidhi Stalin. In fact, Reddy said that anti-Sanatan statements by DMK leaders, including Udyanidhi, are wrong and that it reflects the DMK's mindset. He condemned the remarks and said that action must be taken.
जो सनातन के खिलाफ आपके अलायंस पार्टनर डीएम के नेता ने कहा, उसके बारे में आपको लगता है जो कहा वो ठीक कहा?
वो गलत है। कौन ठीक बोला है? वो उनका माइंडसेट है, उनका माइंडसेट वो उनको बोलना है।
पार्टनर है वो ना, तो क्या? और कांग्रेस पार्टी से
परिवार में भी अलग अलग सोचदार रहता है, अलग अलग सोच रहते हैं, अलग अलग बात होते रहता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी में बहुत सारे लोगों को मैं दिखाता हूँ, परिवार में दो पार्टी में है सो वाले, हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ ऑल्सो दे आर इन डिफरेंट पार्टीज इन भारतीय जनता पार्टी। तो इसको हम क्या कह सकते हैं? कोई इंडिविजुअल कोई कुछ के उनके माइंडसेट से कुछ कहा तो वो इंडिविजुअल स्टेटमेंट है, उसके लिए हम जो बोलना है वो बोलेंगे।
आप उस अलायंस पार्टनर, उस सरकार के पार्ट हैं, तो क्या कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं?
कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं। नहीं, कुछ बोले तो गलत रहा तो गलत बोल के हम बोल सकते हैं। उनका
विचारधारा किसी ने बोला नहीं, कांग्रेस पार्टी से।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं तेलंगाना प्रदेश का अध्यक्ष हूँ, मैं मुख्यमंत्री हूँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, मेरा स्टेटमेंट को क्यों नहीं लेते आप? क्यों मेरे को कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी में?
आप कह रहे हैं कि ये जो सनातन धर्म के बारे में कहा था वो गलत है?
बराबर गलत है। किसी धर्म के खिलाफ कोई बोले तो वो ठीक नहीं है।
आपको लगता है इसका असर कांग्रेस
यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, हर आदमी का, हर जाति का, हर धर्म का अलग अलग नियम है, अलग अलग नियम अलग अलग लोग मानते। हमारा नियम हम मानते, उनका नियम उन मानते, मगर किसी के नियम के खिलाफ, किसी के धर्म के खिलाफ कोई भी कुछ कहा तो वो ठीक नहीं है। वैसे लोगों को पनिशमेंट देना जरूरी है। तो आप वो इस्लाम हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो या हिंदू धर्म हो,
तो उदयनिधि स्टालिन को पनिशमेंट देना चाहिए?
जरूर देना है, क्यों नहीं?
अच्छा, पनिशमेंट देना चाहिए।
हाँ, जो सिस्टम चलना है, सिस्टम तो प्रिवेल हो जाना है। सिस्टम तो मोदी जी डिमोलिश करके छोड़ दिए।
Let's talk about what's happening in West Bengal. Senior Congress leader and party's Behrampur Lok Sabha candidate Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary alleged that he faced protests from TMC workers during campaign in his constituency. Chaudhary alleged that TMC workers surrounded his car and raised "Go Back" slogans during the campaigning in Murshidabad district of West Bengal. In TMC versus India incident in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee yesterday in a rally had alleged that Congress and left are not India bloc partners in Bengal, but are BJP agents.
আমি শুনছি কেউ বলছে আমরা ইন্ডিয়ান অ্যালায়েন্স, আমায় ভোট দিন। শুনুন, ইন্ডিয়ান অ্যালায়েন্স আমি তৈরি করেছি, আর ওটা দিল্লির কথা, এখানকার কথা নয়। এখানে কংগ্রেস সিপিএম ইন্ডিয়ান অ্যালায়েন্স করে না, ওরা বিজেপি করে। তাই তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের বিরুদ্ধে একটি ভোট কংগ্রেসকে দেওয়ার অর্থ বিজেপিকে দুটো ভোট দেওয়া।
Rahul Gandhi versus Pinarayi Vijayan has reached another peak in Kerala as the Chief Minister said that he was not scared to go to jail. Vijayan went on to say that Rahul Gandhi's grandmother jailed most of the left leaders for more than 1.5 years. Kerala Chief Minister added that left leaders would never try like Ashok Chavan and say that they cannot go to jail.
അദ്ദേഹം ഇന്നലെ ചോദിച്ചതായി കണ്ടത് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് കേരളത്തിന്റെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയെ ചോദ്യം ചെയ്യാത്തത്, എന്താണ് കസ്റ്റഡി എടുക്കാത്തത്, എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് കേസ് എടുക്കാത്തത്? രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി, നേരത്തെ നിങ്ങൾക്കൊരു പേരുണ്ട്, ആ രീതിയിൽ തന്നെ അതിൽ നിന്ന് മാറിയിട്ടില്ല എന്നൊരവസ്ഥ ഉണ്ടാക്കരുത് കേട്ടോ, അത് നല്ലതല്ല. നിങ്ങളെ മുത്തശ്ശിയില്ലേ, ഈ രാജ്യത്താകെ അടക്കി വാണിരുന്ന കാലം അവരായിരുന്നു ഞങ്ങളെയൊക്കെ പിടിച്ച് ജയിലിലിട്ടത്. എത്ര കാലം? 1.5 വർഷം. അപ്പൊ ജയിലിൽ നിന്ന് കേട്ടാൽ നിങ്ങളെ അശോക് ചവാനെ പോലെ അയ്യോ എനിക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകാൻ കഴിയില്ല എന്ന് പറയുന്നവരല്ല കേട്ടാ. പിന്നെ ചോദ്യം ചെയ്യല് നേരിടാത്തവരല്ല ഞങ്ങളൊന്നും. നിങ്ങളെ
Prime Minister Modi has trained guns at the India alliance, mocking the infighting going on in the alliance. Prime Minister Modi claimed that even Congress's own leaders will not vote for their party. And after polls, India bloc leaders will tear off each other's clothes.
आप कांग्रेस का ये परिवार, आपको आश्चर्य होगा, आजादी के पहली बार स्थिति ऐसी बन रही है कि कांग्रेस का परिवार इस चुनाव में कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं देगा। खुद कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं देगा। ये हाल है इनका, क्योंकि जहां वो रहते हैं वहां कांग्रेस का उम्मीदवार ही नहीं है। अब ये ऐसी स्थिति कभी सोची है आपने कांग्रेस की कि जिस परिवार के भरोसे कांग्रेस चलती है वो परिवार खुद कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं दे पाएगा। साथियों, आप देखिएगा 4 जून के बाद इंडी गठबंधन आज जो 25% सीटों पर बिखरा है, लड़ाई अंदर अंदर लड़ रहा है, 4 जून के बाद वो 100% एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़ने वाले हैं, एक दूसरे के बाल नोचने वाले हैं.
Let's open this up. Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Arka Kumar Nag, lawyer, political analyst. Dr. Nikul Patel, leader of the Congress. Good evening, all of you. Dr. Patel, Punjab, you have a problem. In West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee is saying that Congress and left are agents of the BJP. In Kerala, you are abusing the left. The left is hitting back at Congress. What is going on?
Everything is going on in its own way, and I feel that whatever Mamata ji is speaking maybe her own words, and she want to contest and conquer by West Bengal. But when it comes to the overall country, we already seen that at Delhi, their representatives have come and they have said that they are with India coalition. And when it comes for what you say about anything else, I think that everything is in the larger interest of the people who are going to vote for the country, because as the India coalition, everywhere if you see the main manifestos of all the alliances is only for serving the people of the country and not something which is against the people of the country. Somewhere here and there, the misthoughts and misconceptions between that can happen. But I think overall, if we see, we are all together contesting against the government, which is Modi Sarkar and not India government.
I mean, you know, the states make up the country. If you are abusing each other in states,
Mr. Patel, I have a question to
how
ask
can you say
You're
that
saying
all is
your
well?
manifestos are aligned.
Everything is well. I am again speaking about the same thing, that we all are working for the larger interest of the people who are the citizens of our country, and in the democratic process when it comes to election, everybody wants to win the maximum number of people and maximum number of member of parliament to the floor of the house. And what happened in 2004, that you will see again that we are going to form the government in 2024 and not a single person government that is known as Modi Sarkar.
Okay, Charu, quick response.
Okay. So I think Mr. Patel is a bit confused, because he seems to think that the manifestos of this so-called non-alliance are actually aligned. Sir, I'd like to ask your opinion on 2 specific issues in your manifesto and that of your alliance partner, the Left Party. What is your take on nuclear weapons being dismantled in our country? Do you have an opinion on that? And like CM Vijayan, I also want to ask you, what is your exact stand on CA? Because from what I remember, in your manifesto, you've been incredibly vague. Page number 22 talks about anti-people laws, but you've not had the courage to list any of those laws. Please tell me at least one anti-people law that you want to repeal in this country. Tell me your opinion on nuclear weapons and tell me what is your clear and exact stand on the CAA, sir. And if you can answer these three very specific questions without getting into rhetorics, I might start believing that you at least have aligned aspects of your manifesto. Please tell me, sir.
Patel, quickly answer that.
And I'm not even getting into the infight you had with Bhagwant Mann or CM Vijayan or the comments Mamta Didi is making against you. I can get into all those details. All of that I can list out for you. But first, I would just like to know your opinion on these three specific points. What's an anti-people law, sir?
I think Anchor sir is not asking any question. You should first answer his question rather asking question.
No, that's okay. Dr. Patel, you can answer that question if you have an answer, or we can move on. If you don't want to,
fine.
it's okay.
Because you said that your manifestos are aligned. I only picked up my question from your statement.
I'm considering you as one of the citizens of our country, and as a Congress party, what we can do, I would like to answer your question. Very good.
Grateful.
You are
I'm
not
very
right now
grateful,
for
sir.
Bharatiya Janata Party. I am considering you as the one citizen of the country. Now regarding CAA.
Please tell me, whatever way. Yeah. Please tell me.
Yeah, definitely. Why not? We are here to answer the country's people, and you are one of them, and we are ready to answer. Regarding CAA, if you are telling that, I would like to know that if you are really interested in implementing about CAA, you came with a notification in 2019, but you really not implemented for next 5 years. Right now, when it has been to the election mode,
sir, it was a direct question. Are you in favor of CAA or are you against CAA? I am repeating what your alliance partner CM Vijayan asked you.
Now listen, ma'am.
I asked you a simple question. Are you in favor of CAA or are you not in favor of CAA?
That is what the
again rhetorics.
Again
rhetorics.
Is reflecting over here that.
Why do you not
Charu Pragya and Dr. Patel, just calm down. Calm down, both of you, please. We don't have much time. We have two big breaking inputs coming in. One is related to Arvind Kejriwal's jail stay and another from Karnataka. We are going to it in the next 30-40 seconds. Mr. Nag, what is happening to Team India? Why are you against each other?
Well, so far as TMC is concerned, from the very beginning when India was being formed, we had been very particular that wherever the political parties are strong, they will lead the India alliance at different places. And there is no hide and seek that in West Bengal, TMC is the strong partner so far as the India alliance is concerned. And I believe the state leadership of the Congress did not consider it at the later stage. And it was obvious that Mamata Banerjee had to come forward and take a leadership in that role, and she did it. So it is, I would not say that the Trinamool Congress at the larger goal is not in support of our alliance, which is in favor of the democratic values of the country. But in Bengal, we are not in the same head, and that is very clear from the Supremo's words. And there were talks, there were tries, and I do not find that the Congress had reconciled.
Break. We've run out of time. I thank you for joining us. You know, the voters will decide what happens. But it's not looking good for Team India, at least perception-wise. Allies taking on each other, increasingly so, even after the first phase is over. Quick break, two breaking inputs on the other side.